Hello, I'm Chapman, the Chair of the Children and Young People Committee. Our committee has been looking at the implementation of the Welsh Government's Learning and Skills measure, which was introduced in 2009 to give 14 to 19-year-olds more choices on the courses they can do. Now, this is the first piece of Welsh legislation to be examined by a committee to assess how successful its implementation has been. As part of our inquiry, the committee consulted young people across Wales to find out what they thought of the opportunities they had. Some people were concerned about the costs and the distance they had to travel to attend the courses of their choice. Other young people could not find the course they wanted in the Welsh language, and some were unaware that they could have had more support in making their choices. Now, as a committee, we are therefore recommending that the Welsh Government examines whether the right balance has been struck in the requirement to offer 30 courses. Travel and transport to the courses are clearly issues for the young people we spoke to, and we would like to see how much travelling is required for pupils to attend their courses and the effect that is having on their effectiveness. We were also concerned that not all young people and their parents or guardians were able to access full, open and impartial advice on the learning opportunities and choice of courses available in their area. And we have asked the Welsh Government to issue guidance requiring all schools and colleges to produce a joint prospectus containing that impartial advice. The committee welcomes any new developments that tackle gender stereotypes and that provide opportunities for girls and boys to choose a wider range of vocational and academic courses. It's also important that the Welsh Government now reviews the impact of the measure's implementation, particularly with regards to Welsh medium and bilingual education. We have now published our report that contains 10 recommendations and look forward to receiving the government's response.
O fi meddwl yn gryf am un o'r pwynciau sef fy newisiadau, achos am fy newisiadau i lefel A, doedd e ddim yn bosib i fi cymryd gwleidyddiaeth drwy'r gyfrwng y Gymraeg yn fy ardal lleol. Felly oedd hwnna'n ymhariaf addysg, a fi'n teimlo gryf i ei ateb yn ymghoriad. Nes i cwrdd da a ni'n mynd trwy y cwestiynau o'n i am cael ei ateb gyda fe, felly o'n i'n hyderus i mynd mewn i'r ymgyhoriad. O'n i wedi gweld newid yn y report i ymwneud â gwersi drwy gyfrwng y Cymraeg, os o fi wrth gwrs eisiau cymryd gwleidyddiaeth yn Gymraeg, ond nid roedd ei gael a mae'r report yn dangos bod nhw'n ceisio newid hynny. Dwi'n meddwl am y proses di newid fy meddylwyd am y cynulliad ac ati drwy cyn i o fi ddim meddwl bod nhw'n ymwneud â pobl ond dim ond siarad gyda hun, a wedyn wrth i fi mynd mewn a nhw'n siarad gyda fi, fi'n credu mynd i neud fi'n fwy agored a bod nhw eisiau cymorth ni i helpu sefyllfa.
Cynulliad Cenedlaethol Cymru yw'r corff sy'n cael ei ethol yn ddemocrataidd i gynrychioli buddiannau Cymru a'i phobl, i ddeddfu ar gyfer Cymru ac i ddwyn Llywodraeth Cymru i gyfrif. I gael rhagor o wybodaeth ac i ganfod pwy sydd yn eich cynrychioli, ewch i cynulliadcymru.org neu gallwch chi'n dilyn ar Facebook a Twitter.